Hi, Marie here. Welcome to my channel. Today is the day that I switch out my perfume carousel again and put in kind of my summer fragrances and get it all set up for summer. It's the beginning of June, so it's time, even though it's kind of cold around here. Summer's right around the corner and the hot's right around the corner, so I want to get my carousel reflecting that. So I'm going to take you into the bedroom and we will switch some out, put some other ones in, and yeah, I hope that you enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and hit that button. I would love for you to be part of the Weird and Wonderful family, and if you already are subscribed, thank you so much. Like, you guys are so awesome. Thank you for the recommendations that you guys give me on fragrances and all that sort of stuff. And without further ado, I'm going to take you into the bedroom now. Okay, so here is my current setup. I've got all these perfumes in here, and I've kind of got like an awful lot jammed in here. And I also have quite a few perfumes that I want to add. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this. I'm going to pull all of these out. While I pull them out, I'm going to dust them. But first of all, I just wanted to mention the perfumes that I'm definitely taking out of this tray for the summer. So first of all, I'm going to take L'Entrée out. And the reason why is because I just, I wore it the other day, and it was really hot outside and I had a headache and it actually made me feel sick. So this one, when the weather starts getting hot, can be too cloying. So I'm going to pull that one out for sure. Other ones that I am going to pull out of this tray would be this one, Jean Paul Gaultier Essence de Parfum. These are perfumes that I'll likely wear in the evenings, but I definitely don't see myself wearing them during the day. La Vie est Belle, I'm going to remove that one as well. And boy, I hope I can remove more than that. The only one, this is just in a different bottle, but the only one by Dolce & Gabbana, I'm definitely going to get rid of that one. I'm going to remove Dolce Pour Femme. I may include it later, but I'm going to pull it out for now. I'm going to pull out the only one Intense by Dolce & Gabbana, and that'll be in my evening tray. And I'm going to pull out In Bois Vanille. That one doesn't need to be in there for the summer. And now I'm going to just, so those are all going to disappear. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fast forward this, pull out all of these, dust them off, and then I'll incorporate all my new ones for you. Okay, so I've got all my fragrances in front of me, and I'm going to start now that I've got a clean carousel. And I typically on my first shelf here put the perfumes that I'm going to reach for the most. So I thought I would start, and I try to go with kind of putting, you know, similar fragrances or similar shaped bottles. So I want it to look aesthetic. Aesthetically pleasing. I want them to be practical in the way that I reach for them, and I also want them kind of in the same genre if possible. So I'm going to start with Olympia Aqua. This is one of my favorites. I'm also going to go with Guerlain Terracotta, and then I'm also going to choose Olympia Intense. That one I wear more in the evening, but I gravitate towards it a lot in the summer. So I'm going to put those there, and look how pretty that looks. Like, I just think it looks gorgeous. Okay, next I am going to go with, of course, my beautiful Tom Ford's Eau de Soleil Blanc. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm also going to put Trussardi Donna, and I want another white one. Oh, Prada La Femme. I'm going to put that up there. Okay, so I've got that so far. Doesn't it look nice? I love it. I love it already. Okay, another one that I wear tons in the summer is Alien Eau Sublime. I love this one. And again, I'm trying to get the colors to kind of flow, just because I like that. I'm also going to go with, because it's kind of the same kind of category, is this Alien. And as I go, I'm trying to kind of give the bottles a bit of a dust as well.
if they've been out for a while. I'll put Bobbi Brown Beach in there as well. I'm also going to put on this one, Bronze Goddess. I may actually just stick this behind here and put one more in here. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the Bronze Goddess, but I'm also going to put in Blue Waters, which is a Creed Virgin Island Waters. Is that right? Yeah, this one is Virgin Island Waters. And these are by Perfume Parlor, and this Perfume Parlor is an Eau de Soleil Blanc. So I'm going to just have kind of all of those ones there. That doesn't look so pretty, but such is life. Oh, I'm also going to put my Jo Malone England in there, so kind of all my Perfume Parlors will be located in one spot. I may move them around because I sure don't like the way that looks. Okay, next one that is definitely one that I use a lot, except not in high heat, is Dolce Garden. So I'm going to throw that one in the mix. What else? I think I'll go for my raspberry fragrances because I've been reaching for those a lot. So I'm going to go with Floral Street, and I'm going to go with So Scandal. Both ones that I absolutely love. And if you look color-wise, let's just go this way, kind of all just fits nicely and melds together. Oh, I love it! Okay, moving on to the second tier. Next, I'm going to put my Elie Sabs. Okay, that needs to be on a lower shelf. So I'll put it there. And I like to keep my Elie Sabs, like if I've got a collection, I'll keep them kind of together. So I'm gonna put my Elie Sab Le Parfum with it. And then I'm gonna just put the Girl of Now Shine in there as well. And I think I'm going to actually push if it fits. Oh, it doesn't, it's tough. These bottles are so big. You know what, I'm gonna pull out this Royal for now. Let's go with Elie Sab, let's go with Girl of Now. I can't bear to get rid of that one yet. And then let's go with, actually let's throw my Mon Guerlain in there if it'll fit. I'm not sure if it will. No, won't fit. Yikes, what am I gonna do? Okay, for now, I'll throw in the Velvet Vanilla. I can't see me reaching for that one tons, but I'm gonna keep it for now. On this shelf, let's go with, oh, that won't fit. Actually, let's do this shelf next. So I'm going to put my La Belle. I'm going to put my other pair of legs, Scandal à Paris here. I think I'm going to put, let's see, those are both pink. I'm going to put this one in here as well. That's my Federico Moreira Lost Cherry. So these are all kind of berry. This one's pear, cherry, and this one's pear as well. So I just think those look really nice together. On this little shelf, I'm going to put, if it fits, my Zara Wonder Rose. I like this one. It's okay. It's not like a major favorite. And then I'm going to put Twilly in here and Versace Crystal Noir. I think I'm going to toss, no, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of Alien for a time. So I'm gonna put those three in there. Actually, I'm going to put Zara Wonder Rose at the back because I don't think I'll reach for it tons. And I'm gonna put this Coco Figue in here. I tried this the other day and really liked it. So these are all my tiniest little bottles, so they fit nicely there. I'm gonna put Be Laird's Dolled Up, and I'm going to put my Angel Muse Eau de Toilette in there. And can I fit one more? I think I'm gonna do actually my Elie Sab Royale in here. So I'm gonna have to kind of just jimmy rig those a little bit, set them like that. That's not as beautiful, but there's nothing I can do. I hate bottles that don't fit nice. So I don't like these Angel bottles. I think they're tacky, honestly. Like they're okay, they're kind of fun, I guess, but I'd like it if it stood up. I prefer more traditional bottles. They just fit into shelving better. That is my second tier. So primarily I'm doing 3 fragrances per each. Some of them I'll do 4. I have my last shelf and I'm going to start with this shortest one, and I'm going to put my Narciso Rodriguez in there. These won't necessarily match. I'm going to put in my Jasmine Wisp, which I absolutely love. Let's see if I can do this with these ones. And this one fit? No. Will that one fit? Like, of course it won't fit like that. Maria. I don't think I have anything else that'll fit. Oh, I've got this Lovely. So I'm gonna throw that one in because it's kind of like a musky fragrance, and just kind of keep those together. Obviously, this one doesn't fit with the other ones, but that's okay. I'm gonna put Sophia in here, and I'm gonna put Coco Mademoiselle. Oh, I love those bottles. I just think they're so gorgeous. And you know what? I'm going to put in also Mon Guerlain, just because they're kind of the same color and same sort of vibe, classy, pretty, whatever. I'm going to do Amethyst Lalique. This one is really great because it's kind of watery. I'm going to do L'Impératrice. Trois L'Impératrice. I'm going to put that one in here as well. I think I'm going to do this with all of them because it's just easy. I actually think I'm going to put my Aqua Colonia in this one as well. This one's just a really beautiful kind of lime, nutmeg, zesty fragrance. Really nice. This last one, ooh, I've got too many fragrances here. So this last one, I'm going to put White Tea in there, kind of at the back, and then I'm putting my Hane Mori. I really am enjoying this Hane Mori. I'm going to do Yellow Sun, and then I'm going to do my Green Tea Nectarine Blossom, and I'm going to do Love is Love. So these are all kind of just light, kind of more airy fragrances. Now the problem is that I have this this one, Miami Glow, and I'm just not crazy about it, but I don't want to get rid of it yet. I've got a few others here that I'm going to kind of shove in maybe someplace. Where can I put this one? Let me see. Well, I think what I'll do is I'm going to throw my Love is Love. No, you know what? I think I'm going to leave it. I think I'm going to leave it. This one, I'm not sure I'm going to be reaching for, at least unless it's really warm out. So I'm going to leave this one out of the mix, and then I will let you know what I'm going to do with it. So I would say this is the final product. So some of the bottom ones aren't near as pretty looking, but they all kind of have, they're all pretty nice, I think. So this is my top shelf. I love it! Looks so pretty! And then this is my middle shelf. My guess is some things will get changed around a bit. Like, I'm almost tempted to shove this one back here, but then I won't reach for it. That's the bottom line. If they're too jammed up, I won't reach for them. So we're gonna leave it as is. And this is my last, like the last tier. So that's shoved in a little bit more, but basically when you walk in, you're looking at the top shelf, which is a lot more aesthetically pleasing. So I have, this is it. That is the whole entire thing. I think it looks really good. This shelf here, this one here is driving me crazy. That is the ugliest ever. Of course, this the second one here, up here, isn't very nice looking either. So I don't know, maybe I should try rearrange it. It's gonna drive me nuts. Let's see if we can at least get them in order of height. Let's try that. That looks a bit better. Yeah, that looks way better. Do you think that looks better?
So we're back in the living room, and I hope that you enjoyed changing out my carousel with me. yeah, I love that carousel. It's such a great little item. I'll leave it linked down below. I've got 2 of them, but that one's my favorite. It's just beautiful. I love the kind of beveled edges on it, and I just love how many fragrances it can hold in a small area. And I find like it's so much fun because I have it sitting there right on my makeup table, and then I can just kind of swoosh through it and pick the fragrances I want to smell. And lots of times while I'm getting ready, I'll sniff quite a few before I make a choice. But yeah, I just love how accessible it is and compact it is. I've got another one by my bed table. Maybe I'll show you guys that one someday soon. Let me know if you're interested in that one. That one's one that I kind of have my evening scents in. The one on my makeup table is where I have kind of my more daytime fragrances, ones that I want to be able to reach for easily, and then I have fragrances that I wear more to bed or kind of a little bit more sexy fragrances I keep in another carousel right beside my bed. So if you guys were interested in checking out that one, we can do that sometime soon. So that's it. Yeah, one other thing, sorry, I know this is going long. People always get creeped out by my rocker because it's rocking back and forth and no one's sitting in it. My house isn't haunted. It's my puppy. Tasha, come here. Her name is Tasha. Here she is. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the kind people. Anyway, she is just the sweetest. She's a schnoodle, and I just love her, and she spends all of her time with me. She's always quite close by, and I get to cuddle with her lots. But this is what rocks the chair, aren't you? She loves that chair. It's basically her dog bed. You have a whole chair all for you, right? So anyway, this is Tasha, and she's the one that rocks my chair. It's not a ghost. My house isn't haunted. But I can see where it would be creepy. Anyway, have an amazing week. We'll talk to you soon.